keep that in mind.
दिल्ली से बच के थोड़ा.
दिल्ली से थोड़ा बच के, and I've gotten that tips from a lot of veteran parliamentarians. तो यही हम सबको कि वीकेंड पे घर जाओ, क्षेत्र में
प्यारे दोस्तों, अज़ीज़ साथियों, उम्मीद है कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह आपको शाद व आबाद रखे, आपके कारोबार में बरकत अता फ़रमाए, आपको तरक्की अता फ़रमाए। दोस्तों, आज एक अच्छी और नई वीडियो आपके सामने मुकम्मल देखना। जिस वक्त पार्लियामेंट का मामला मुकम्मल हुआ तो इकरा हसन अपने घर आईं। उस वक्त एंकर ने इकरा हसन से पूछा कि आप दिल्ली में ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं रुकती हैं, आप पार्लियामेंट मेंबर हैं, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा वक्त क्यों नहीं गुजारती हैं, आप मामला मुकम्मल होने के बाद फ़ौरन घर क्यों आ जाती हैं। उसके बाद इकरा हसन ने जो कहा एंकर से और क्या जवाब दिया वो सुनने के लायक है। आइए मुकम्मल वीडियो सुनिए इकरा हसन की।
in a certain manner.
I think you were hinting at the fact that you never covered your head really, but now you would.
It's my professional attire basically. So unless I cover my head, I don't feel like I'm doing anything. You don't have to wash your hair also that often. So
Are there politicians that you look up to and think, wow, this is where I aspire to be, or this is where I'd like to see myself?
I think Mahua is somebody I'm really inspired by, and everybody listens when she's speaking.
What about someone from the opposing camp?
I think.
Are you ideologically aligned to SP, or can we find you tomorrow in a BJP?
You will never see me in BJP. I would rather die than be in BJP ever.
One of the great things about the 18 Lok Sabha is the youth energy we have with this parliament. We have about 7 members of parliament who are under 30. Now 7 may not seem like a big number in a house of more than 500 seats. But please remember that in India, the average age of an MP is 55 years of age. So we're very happy that we have at least 7 people in parliament who are under 30. We have Sanjana Jatav from Bharatpur, Priyanka Jharikoli from Chikkodi, Pushpendra Saroj from Kaushambi, Shambhavi Chaudhary from Samastipur, Priya Saroj from Mashli Shahar, Sagar Khandre from Bidar, and of course Ikra Chaudhary from Kairana. Thanks so much, Ikra.
Thank you.
Constituents already worried कि दिल्ली में ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करिए, कैराना वापस आए, हमारे साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करें।
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी 2 ही महीने हुए हैं और उन 2 महीने में हमारे 2 सेशंस हो गए हैं। मेरे वालिद साहब वो हमेशा कहते थे कि जिस नेता का दिल्ली में ज़्यादा मन लगता है तो वो क्षेत्र से या धरातल पर उसका जनाधार खत्म होने लगता है। सो आई हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड।
दिल्ली से बच के
एंड आई हैव गॉटन दैट टिप्स फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ वेटरन पार्लियामेंटेरियंस। तो यही हम सबको कि वीकेंड पे घर जाओ, क्षेत्र में जाओ, 13वीं शादी जो भी अटेंड कर सकते हो इवेंट्स वो अटेंड करो।
इकरा, you come from a very illustrious family of Kairana. In fact, your father, Chaudhary Munawwar Hasan, मैं थोड़ा रिसर्च करी थी तो I read that he's held a Guinness World Record for being the youngest politician to have been through all 4 houses. तो MLA भी रहे हैं, MLC भी रहे हैं, राज्यसभा में भी रहे हैं, लोकसभा में भी रहे हैं. He of course died at the age of 44 in a car accident. Your mother's also then joined politics. Your brother's been a 3-time MLA. आपकी political awakening कैसे हुई?
It was in very unfavorable circumstances that I came into politics. I was doing my masters abroad. I was planning to do my PhD. But don't get me wrong, I always had my interest in politics more in the academic sense. I wanted to do my PhD on electoral reforms only. But that didn't happen. So I had come back. It was COVID time. We had holidays. I had come back. I had plans to go back, but my mother and my brother were under the Yogi regime, were implicated under false gangster cases, even my mother. So, and she's like all mothers. She has no germ of a gangster in her. But so then both of them had to leave the house, in a way abscond. And then I had to be at home, take over the house also.
SOAS has a very sweet little text on you that she's the first Muslim woman MP, youngest to have entered parliament. So I'm sure they're very proud of you. But being in SOAS, how freeing was it to, And what was that time like?
It was very nice, and it was around the time when CA protests were happening here. So we felt very helpless there, but the environment there is very welcoming to protest, and you know, you can, there are human rights activists everywhere, you'll find them, and they'll stand for every cause. Like I remember in SOAS, there are steps where you protest if you want to protest for anything. So from the Indian society, when people would protest there, other people crossing by would just come and see, read up on it, and would stand with you. That is something you don't get to see very often. So that was very nice, and we had a whole environment of that in the campus, especially SOAS. So it's called the JNU of London.
In India, we've had 690 women MPs elected so far to the Lok Sabha, and out of which only 25 have come from the Muslim community. So you're probably the 26th. The issue of representation of especially Muslim women in political life. Women to hai hi kam, but Muslim women aur bhi kam hai.
I think problem though lies in the category of women only. If we look at that, those numbers are also equally bad. These are even worse. So जो हमें काम करने की ज़रूरत है वो सभी महिलाओं के लिए है, लेकिन खासकर मुस्लिम महिलाओं के लिए, because I think dropout rates, and this is what I've researched in my constituency, I think dropout rates हमारे यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हैं.
By dropout you mean?
Higher education, like beyond 10th.
Okay.
So I think till you don't educate, and marriages happen very early on in life. See, patriarchy exists in all, I think, societies, all communities, all religions.
But on the triple talaq thing, it is Muslim women who also petitioned in the Supreme Court saying that we want this gone. I mean, in one way, I completely support it in the sense that, look, women should have recourse to law in the same way as, you know, women from other religions. If we leave aside the BJP from it, as fundamentally to outlaw something like this, isn't that a step in the right direction?
No, definitely I feel this was wrong on many levels. And but to also put it across, ये होता भी नहीं है. Triple talaq means you have to wait for 3 menstrual cycles. उसमें आप बीच में 3 बार दे देते हो, so you get 3 months time to reconcile with your spouse. If that doesn't happen, that is triple talaq.
And but it wasn't happening like that. A lot of men
it happens like that only.
Because the petitioners who went to court, they would have cases कि हमें
petitioners who went to
letters court, आई हमें like चिट्ठी से mail से तलाक करके
petitioners who went to court also need to be verified. This is the politest I can say about it. Also need to be verified if they were sent to court by certain political parties or factions, or did they go on their own? Because
I think at least the ones that I read on were very genuine cases. Because, and I think it's also maybe unfair when you're asking for your right to then be labelled an RSS stooge or whatever, because वो हमेशा होता है. Your first speech in Parliament, where you asked for a connectivity from Shamli to Vaishno Devi, got a lot of play in the media. In fact, Times Now में टिकर चला कि मुस्लिम सांसद सनातनी आस्था.
So this tag of me being mainly a Muslim politician has come to me only in Delhi. Back home in my constituency, if I would not have won the election if it was solely on the basis of Muslim votes. So there are a lot of communities who have voted for me despite the BJP's venom spew campaign. So I'm very grateful to them, and I cannot ignore them. So I come from a constituency that only has 30% Muslims. So I have a responsibility towards everybody else also, not just my own community. And I think it wasn't strategic or anything. There is a need for that in my constituency.
One of the things that is common among you young MPs is that you're all Dianas, apart from Sanjana, whose father was an Up-Sarpanch, but she doesn't come from a hardcore political family.
सुनते चले जाइए.
You have the same issue in Bollywood also, where there's now a lot of resentment with this Nepo gang. And in politics also, there's this thing कि सारे Dianas privileged लोग ही आते हैं.
I think your background helps in the way that there is a certain trust that your background provides you कि
जी
ये उनके बेटे या उनके परिवार से हैं तो इनका वहाँ पर अच्छा नाम है. And I think in politics what's particular is कि even the people, like the constituents, for it's not just that you have to only penetrate the party hierarchy, you also have to make a base in the constituency. So people also I don't know why it is, but it is so. And even if you go around, you will, I think, notice it.
सुनते चले
If you
जाइए.
tell them, like if I would go and tell them about my father,
Are you ideologically aligned to SP?
I've seen a lot of leaders very closely now. So I will take this opportunity to say that Akhilesh Yadav ji, I think he's one person who, if you meet him in a public meeting, in a
जी.
wedding, in his office, or in the parliament, he is absolutely the same.
Who do you admire in terms of politicians?
I think Mahua is somebody I'm really inspired by, and everybody listens when she's speaking.
What about someone from the opposing camp? You really have to think hard.
Yeah, I really have to think hard.
Okay, from the previous, maybe not in the house currently, but earlier BJP leaders. I'm trying to make it easier for you.
Sushma Swaraj.
सुनते चले जाइए. इस दोस्तों, आप लोगों ने सुन लिया कि इकरा हसन चौधरी ने क्या कहा कि हमारे अब्बा मुनव्वर हसन कहते थे कि जो दिल्ली में ज़्यादा रुकता है उसका रिश्ता अपनों से मजबूत नहीं रहता है, उसका रिश्ता अपनों से टूट जाता है और उसका संबंध कमज़ोर हो जाता है. जो नेता दिल्ली में ज़्यादा रहते हैं वो अपनों से दूर हो जाते हैं, उनका ताल्लुकात अपनों से टूटता चला जाता है. इसलिए हमारे अब्बा मुनव्वर हसन कहते थे कि मैं भी दिल्ली में इसलिए ज़्यादा नहीं रुकता ताकि मेरा अपनों से रिश्ता कमज़ोर ना हो जाए. इसलिए मैं भी अपने वालिद की उन बातों पर अमल करती हूँ कि मेरे वालिद भी जब पार्लियामेंट का मामला मुकम्मल हो जाता था तो फ़ौरन अपने घर पर आते थे ताकि लोगों की समस्याएं सुनें और लोगों के दरमियान रहें. इसलिए मैं भी लोगों के दरमियान रहना चाहती हूँ, उनकी समस्याएं हल करना चाहती हूँ और उनके काम आना चाहती हूँ.